Dan, give it back.
No.
Give it back.
This thing is
Give it back. Give me my aux cord back, bro. What are you doing?
Get a new aux cord. See that? You're like $3 at Best Buy.
No. My baby.
Say something.
What did you do?
I'm saving you, bro.
I'll be the one if you want me to.
Welcome to this Saturday vlog. Sorry, I was about to go to bed and I realized I did not make an intro for the vlog. So this vlog is short and sweet and I hope you enjoy it. And if you like it, leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks, enjoy. We just left our 3 other bus workers, Luke, my cousin, LT and LJ, and Sammy. We just left them behind. Like we went to TJ Maxx to buy this new aux cord because Dan cut my other one. This one's like 6 feet, bro. Look.
Actually works now.
Yeah. I mean, it was worth it.
I know. Now we can listen to the Tharp Brothers.
I felt. Shut up.
All right, where are them little poops?
We're going. We're pulling in.
They've tried calling us like multiple times. We just hang up.
There.
Where?
Sammy's right
Oh
there.
shoot, they're there.
Sammy's right there. What do they have a little search party going? Oh, look, there he is. There he is. Okay, crack the door.
Let's goose honk him. Goose honk him. I'll leave again.
Yeah. Oh, you didn't even film.
He didn't, bro. Okay, bro. All right, we goose honked them, but then the door was unlocked, so they like opened it.
And we drove away. Dude, you have to get it.
They're running. Hey!
You zoomed in too far.
Yeah, you're not opening it. You're not opening it. Wow. Here, hold this. Hold my soda. Get your little butts in the bag. Get in the bag. Get in the bag.
Bro, you got drinks without them.
Yeah, we did.
So we just got back from the fair in Manteca, and I bought a couple things. I bought this. Don't tread on me. I bought a bumper sticker. Hey! And I got this. Not bad.
50 bucks.
Not bad.
15.
No, like all together 50 bucks.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Spent quite a few dollars. I even spent money on Dan today. I spent money on everybody today.
You spent money on Lucas.
This has like a dent right here. I might have to do it like in the dent center. How do I get it on? There we go. Oh, I'm like, I have this feeling that the bumper sticker is gonna like come off, dude. And it was like free, so. Dan, what do you think about, what's the liability of something that was given to you for free? This is like an actual sticker.
Is it really?
I don't know, I think.
Ooh. Thomas.
Oh, look at it. Back. It's beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Brat, nice. Thank you for watching the video. Like, thumbs up, you know, subscribe.
Leave a like.
Peace out, Dan.
Peace out.
Peace out.